Hey, welcome to MoFitMeals. I have something kind of fun. It's an everyday morning classic for most people. Waffles. Who doesn't want waffles? I love waffles, and the way I cook is I always look for something to kind of substitute ingredients to make them MoFit healthy. So in this case, I'm going to substitute traditional white flour. What I found was Lupina. I actually found this on Amazon. I kind of did some digging around and some homework. It's a fiber, it's high in protein, and it still makes my waffles fluffy and delicious. So before we get started, I want to talk about Lupina. It's actually a Lupin Flour. The brand name is Lupina. Lupin Flour is naturally high in protein, low in carbohydrates and sugar, and it's high in fiber and antioxidants, and it reduces appetite. That's good, so you feel full after your waffles. The dietary fiber is fantastic. Now I'm gonna read the nutrition to you. So the calories for a quarter cup is 74. The fat is 2. It has 12 carbs, but the fiber is 11. So we only get 1 net carb, and it's basically a wash. And then the protein is 12. So you're having a high protein breakfast. Okay, so here's what we're gonna need for our MoFit waffles. We're gonna need Lupin Flour. Another goodie I found from Amazon, Buff Bake. I've used Quest protein quite a bit. Enjoyed that. It makes all of my baking with high protein quite delicious. A lot of proteins don't really bake well, so Quest does. However, it wasn't available in Amazon. So I found this as a comparison, kind of looked at it. It seems pretty reasonable. The only thing is the carbohydrates are 3 grams, 1 fiber, and there's 2 sugars where I believe Quest only has maybe 1 carb. So that's the only difference. I like this and it works really well. I've tried it and now I'm addicted. It's very affordable. It's maybe $18 and highly recommended. So we're gonna use vanilla protein Buff Bake, Pyure. You guys know I use this quite a bit for my sweetener. And my secret, I add cream of tartar. What I like to do is I add it for the potassium. Cream of tartar has lots of potassium. It has more than a banana. The nice part is cream of tartar doesn't have any calories, it doesn't have any carbs, but bananas do. Not that anything's wrong with a banana, but if I'm watching my carbs, I'd much rather add potassium from cream of tartar. And the comparison, just to give you a side note, for a banana there's 422 milligrams of potassium versus cream of tartar in 1 teaspoon has 495. So even more than a banana. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon. My favorite is almond extract. Why? Because if you add almond extract to, let's say, a sugar cookie, you're gonna get that traditional sugar cookie taste. Why not add this to our waffles? Make us feel like we have that sugar cookie kind of waffly taste. So we're gonna add this. I'm gonna add some salt to bring out the flavors, round them all up together. Then I'm gonna add some nutmeg, optional. I like nutmeg, it tastes delicious. It makes it that little spice, almost warm flavor. So we'll add this, baking soda and baking powder. And then my favorite thing I'm gonna show you right now, it's my favorite. Okay, here it is, mini waffle maker. So fun, you guys might have seen this already. I got it at Target, it's only 10 bucks. This is probably my 3rd one. Reason why is not because it doesn't work. I just think that waffle makers are messy. A reasonable $10, I can just get a new one. So I use this quite a bit. It really gives me that fun Eggo waffle kind of experience. And here's what it looks like. Small, cute and little. And of course, one more thing, my egg. We need 1 egg for binding. Okay, let's get started. successful. That always happens. But let's see what happens with this guy. Oh, look, it got stuck to the top. Let's see. I'm just trying to pull it off here. Cute little waffle. Yum. Okay, let's keep going. We're gonna make the rest. But look at how cute and look how fluffy this one. I kind of overflowed it, so you gotta be careful because then it's like really getting up there. Oh my. Please don't go over. This is exactly why I have an attitude with my waffle makers. Let me help this along here. That's good. You wait until the little blue light comes on. Kind of gives you that little indication. Sometimes I believe it, sometimes I don't. They play mind tricks on you. Nevertheless, there it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at you. Yay! Okay, we're gonna pile that on. Look at my waffles. I got 7 of them, and they're delicious. Use peanut butter, and I top it off with almonds. I'm gonna freeze these. They'll be ready for me tomorrow, the next day after that, just like an Eggo waffle. So enjoy. I hope that you found this helpful, informative. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay Mo Fit.